Hello everyone. In this session, we'll learn about what is DevOps, what are the different phases of DevOps, and which are the tools that are used in DevOps. And finally, we'll learn what are the advantages of DevOps. DevOps means it consists of development team as well as operation team, which works together to handle the entire software lifecycle from development, testing, deployment, and operation. Then, what is the role of development team here? Development team will design, writes the code for features. And also development team includes testing team to test the features. So next, what is the role of operation team? It will manage the servers, security and backups. And also operation team monitor the entire application and also provide feedback to the developers. Next we'll see what are the different phases of DevOps. DevOps process indicates infinity symbol. That means here the process is continuous. The phases in this DevOps process is divided into 8 phases. The first phase will start from plan, and second phase is code, third phase is build, fourth phase is test, and fifth phase is release, sixth phase is deploy, seventh phase is operate, eighth phase is monitor. Here, plan, code, build, test. These are the phases which are including in the development team. Release, deploy, operate, monitor. These are the phases which are included in the operation team. Here, both development team and also operation team will work together simultaneously so that here there will be no confusion. Next, we'll discuss each phase one by one. So here, the first phase is plan phase. In this phase, in plan phase, plans for the project to client requirements. Once the planning is done, next we'll move to the second phase, that is code. In this phase, development team will start coding for the features. If coding is done, we'll move to the third phase, that is build. Here code will be executed with the help of tools like Maven, Gradle, etc. If the code is built successfully, then it will be sent to the next phase, that is test. Here, testing team will test the code by manually or by using automation tools like Selenium, JUnit, etc. If the code passes with all test cases, then we can release software to the operation team. In deploy phase, the code will be deployed from development server to production server. After deployment, the product is monitored continuously. The feedback sent to the planning phase. This forms the DevOps lifecycle. Next, we'll move to the tools which are used in DevOps. In planning and coding phase, Git and SVN tool is used. And for build phase, Maven and Gradle phase are used. And in testing phase, Selenium and JUnit tools are used. And for deploy and operate phase, Puppet, Docker, Chef tools are used. And for monitoring, Splunk and Nagios tools are used. And for integration process, Jenkins and Bamboo tools are used. These are the commonly used tools in DevOps lifecycle. Along with these tools, even we have some extra tools in DevOps lifecycle. Finally, we'll discuss about the advantages of DevOps. DevOps is a good method for efficient designing, developing and implementing the software. It reacts more quickly to the market events. It also increases the business growth. Production will be at lowest possible cost. Automation of monotonous process frees up space for new ideas. Software deployment will be on continuous basis. These are the advantages of DevOps.